project you need Arduino Uno microcontroller, a breadboard, a 9-volt battery, male-to-male jumper wires, two 220 ohm resistors, two push button, a 7-segment display and USB cable. Now I will tell you what is 7-segment display.
It is a display in which there are 7 segments, in which each segment or a 6-sided box consists of 2 thin pieces of metal. The segments are also arranged at right angle. The individual numerals of a 7-segment display are made up of light emitting diodes. The LEDs within each digit are optically combined to appear as one element on the display, which has some reflective coating on the inside of each segment. Now I will tell you about pins of 7-segment display. Pin 1 E. This pin is used to control the left bottom LED of the display. Pin 2 D. This pin is used to control the bottommost LED of the display. Pin 3 Common. This pin is used to connect to VCC or ground based on the display type. Pin 4 C. This pin controls the right bottom LED of the display. Pin 5 DP. This pin controls the decimal point LED on the display. Pin 6 B. This pin controls the top right LED of the display. Pin 7 A. This pin is used to control the topmost LED of the display. Pin 8 Common. This pin is connected to VCC or GND based on the display type. Pin 9 F. This pin controls the top left LED of the display. Pin 10 G. This pin is used to control the middle LED of the display.
Now I will tell you how to put code in your Arduino Uno microcontroller.
Open your favorite browser and search this. Then open the very first link. Now scroll down, you will find the code. This is your code. Now you have to copy and paste it to your Arduino software. Click on new and delete everything which is written already and paste your code. After that, click on verify and save it. Sometime it will verify and then you have to click on upload button. After uploading, you can eject your Arduino from computer or your laptop. After that, you have to plug in your 9-volt battery in Arduino. As you can see, my counter is working very well. This is downwards button and this is upwards button. After 9 it will show 0. Thank you for watching my video.